Yeah, we're going to create a very simple design. So the first thing I want to do is to work on this text effect. I'll drop a link in the description for you to download it. All you have to do is to edit this vibe text effect to reviver, because that's the word I want to use in the design I want to create. Now we'll just change the vibe to what you want it to be. So I will go, so there are two, so you change it, the first reviver and then the other one, the bottom reviver. So depends on what you want. So you see there are two texts. I have to change them, put them very well to sit on top of each other. All right, adjust it very well. Sometimes we need to use padding, right? And then make sure that it is well adjusted. The next one is going to be hour, but let's finish with this one. After I'm done with this, all right, I have to stretch my cursor very well. All right, like this. It's sitting properly now. I have to remove the background and then I will save as a PNG. All right, after that I'm going to go back now to select this guy, the same, change it now to hour. So it depends on the words, how many words you want to use. So this is reviver hour, so edit the reviver now to hour, then I can save it also as PNG. All right, I've saved it. Now I want to just work on the design I've worked on before. I'm just going to change the background and then create something else from it. So this design right here is a Merry Christmas design I created for my church. So I'm going to take out this Merry Christmas. I'm going to remove the background, right? I'm going to bring in this background here downloaded. I'll drop a link in the description if you want it. All right, then the image the image is already there. So I'm going to bring in this reviver now. This is it. You see why I use the reviver, because it blends well with the background I'm going to be using, so it's very visible. Then this is the R. I'll try to adjust it, right? Don't make it too big. Adjust it in a way that it's not covering the E and the V of the reviver, so that somebody can easily read and understand. I put it at the back to not work, so I have to bring it to the front and reduce it. All right, I reduce it and position it there. All right, next thing I want to work on now is this is a Tuesday meeting, so I'm gonna write Tuesday. All right, I'll use the bold text. Let's try Poppins bold. Let's try Poppins. All right, let's use Poppins black. Then I'm going to add the background to it to make it more visible. Okay, background will be added. Then I'm going to edit this text to the church address. Number 13 Maduku Street, Okumagba Layout, Warri Delta State. Okay, I'm going to adjust it and position it there. This guy here, I'm going to change it to, I'll change it to this every Tuesday by 5 p.m. Alright, then I'll put it there, position it at the middle. Then this image, let's bring it to the middle. Let's increase the little, okay, let's still move it down. Let's increase the contrast. We'll still have to move this here. All right, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. All right, let's adjust this. Let's move this here. Right there, we're going to write the Living Tree Church International Incorporated. That is the church name, so we're going to put it right there. Okay, so we reduce the text also. Okay, centralize it. Okay, now let's work on the name. This guy here, just drag it and put it there. All right, it's okay like that. Then let's work on the name. This name here, let's move this one. Let's work on the name. I would have put it at the mama's shirt, but it's not going to look so well, so I like to put it in the middle right there. But to put it there, I have to put a background to it, right? Because of the line, the white line. So let's put a background, increase it. All right, then the same thing with the jabber. That's what we're going to do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials like this. My name is Niamuda, and we will, the more tutorials coming this year to this channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. And I will see you in another tutorial. My name is Niamuda, so you can click and save. Once you are saved, you are done.